What's up, guys? Welcome back to Gingerhead Aviation Patriot. We're here with another video on the nice Jeep Gladiator Mojave Edition. You can see that nice stubby bumper. You didn't have a good view last time in the video because it was dark, but nice front stubby bumper. Alright, so today we're going to do a few simple, easy things. We're going to do is put on this center console armrest cushion cover, like a center console organizer thing here. We got a door seal guard kit to protect the door seals, and then we have a dead pedal, so basically a place where you can rest your foot when you're driving. There's no real place to rest your foot, it's just a big open area. So we got dead pedal, seal guards, organizer, and a cover for the armrest center console. So let's get into it, guys. I'm gonna slide this seat back if you don't mind. Alright, we're going to do the center console cover. Basically what it's going to do is just protect this leather from getting destroyed for when the dog goes back and forth. Alright. Instructions, right? Who needs instructions, right? The wind says I don't either.
That's okay.
Alright, we're going to do the center console organizer now. Should be fairly easy. Alright. Simple as that. It has sticky stuff you can use, but we're not going to use that, just to protect the Jeep. And it just goes down in here, just like that. There you go. Center console organizer. Put your phone, pistol, money, whatever you want.
Daddy, where's Uncle Tyler?
This is a toy, so there you go. Perfect. Sweet. Protectors. They are labeled. This one's labeled left hand. I don't know if you can see that, but so they're labeled which one is which. The rear ones are obviously a lot shorter. Make sure you go and clean all the plastic here, or the metal, I mean. That way it's clean and the dirt doesn't stick to the sticky stuff, and then it just falls right off. We already went through and cleaned them all up, so we're just gonna go ahead and put these on. Obviously this indent is for this bolt right here. Do the same thing to this one. Right hand. Alright, that's that. Now we can do the dead pedal and then that'll be that. This is the dead pedal. Basically, it's gonna mount up like this to the Jeep, to a pre-existing bolt and nut, and then it's gonna go like this so you have somewhere to put your foot. I'll go ahead and show you in a little bit, but it has adjustments you can make here, adjustments you can make here. We just went ahead and mocked it up just so it'd be a little easier video for you guys to watch, and we didn't have to see us get in and out of the car. But this is basically where it's gonna sit, and if you have it any lower, it's basically gonna be almost flat with the floor, so it doesn't really make sense. Like, you want it up a little bit, angle your foot, it's a little more comfortable, so that's what we went ahead and went with. You can adjust these bolts here so it can go further away from you. If you're taller, we have it right here. Just it fits pretty good right there for my father-in-law. So let's go ahead and install it. I'll show you guys where it goes and we'll get going. All right, so down here you have this bolt right here. We just went ahead and took the nut off so we can go ahead and mount that up. I'm gonna set you guys down here. Hopefully you'll be able to see exactly what's going on while I do it. So when you go ahead and install it, you're gonna try and make sure it's as straight as possible, obviously, because it's only mounted to one location. So you want it straight, and you want to get it nice and tight, because it'll move side to side probably if you don't have it nice and tight. And you just need a 13 millimeter for this, guys. Pretty easy install. Actually, before we do this, we need to tighten up those two Allen screws. Otherwise, we're gonna be having issues. Almost screwed myself over. All right. Where were we? Kind of need a nut first. Nice and tight. All right. Let's see how he likes it. Boom, I got a little place to foot you're not using. Hey guys, thanks for watching this short little video we just had on this Jeep Gladiator. I know it's some pretty easy stuff, but a lot of that stuff adds comfort and stuff. It's not all about performance mods sometimes. Sometimes it's just about comfort, you know what I mean? So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you want to see different stuff in the future, whether it be stuff for cars or stuff for house, DIY stuff, or whatever you want, I'll try it if I can afford it, you know what I'm saying? Remember, we have stickers that are for sale. All of that money that is spent on those stickers will go to making more content for you guys. So I really appreciate you guys. Like, comment, and follow for more. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.